Good morning students. In yesterday's class we discussed about bar magnet as a solenoid. Now we are going to discuss torque acting on a bar magnet and work done in rotating a bar magnet and electric field in analog with the magnetic field. These are the topics we are going to discuss now. First, yesterday's class I am going to recapitulate direction of magnetic field. I am repeating one more time. North pole has the characteristics analog to the positive charge. South pole has a characteristics analog to the negative charge. This already discussed. So magnetic lines of force starts from north pole, ends to south pole. So magnetic field lines, if you draw a magnetic field lines like this indicates that here north pole is there, here south pole is there. This is the direction of magnetic field lines. The magnetic field lines, if they are equispaced, then the field is uniform. This indicates that uniform magnetic field. Uniform magnetic field. And we discussed one more concept, that is magnetic moment. Magnetic moment. Magnetic moment is nothing but either of the pole strength into distance between the two poles. Here the direction of the magnetic moment. What is meant by magnetic moment? What is meant by magnetic dipole? Here magnetic dipole is nothing but two oppositely poles separated by finite distance having equal strength is known as magnetic dipole. See, this is this is south pole, this is north pole. South pole having the pole strength m, north pole having the pole strength m. These are separated by finite distance. Sir, here in case of a dipole, all the distance are measured from the center. So from the center, north pole is the distance of L. From the center, south pole is the distance of L. Then the distance between the two poles is 2L. So here the direction of the dipole is from south pole to north pole. If I place a dipole like this, so if you place a dipole whose dipole direction m in this direction, what it indicates? Dipole moment in this direction means south pole of the dipole is in the direction, north pole is in the direction. So like poles attract each other, unlike poles repel each other. So south pole is attracted by north pole is attracted by south pole. So this dipole is in equilibrium. So this dipole we can say in equilibrium position in uniform magnetic field. So what I am going to do? This is about introduction. So if I place a dipole in a magnetic field, in this case like poles attract due to unlike poles attraction, this dipole is in this magnetic needle is in equilibrium position. Now the concept of the lesson starts today. Today's lesson, topic torque. Torque acting on a bar magnet. Torque acting on a bar magnet or dipole. Now I am considering a dipole. It is in equilibrium. It is equilibrium in uniform magnetic field. The magnetic field strength is B. Now what I am doing? I am rotating this needle through an angle theta. If you rotate this needle through an angle theta like this, initially it is the position, initial position, magnetic moment in this direction. Now this magnetic needle rotated through an angle theta. If I rotate this angle, this magnetic needle through an angle theta, then what will happen? Sir, this pole, on this pole a force acting, that is F equal to mb. Force acting on the electric, in case of electric field, what is the force acting on the charged particle? F equal to QE. In the same manner, force acting on the pole in a magnetic field is given by the formula F equal to mb. Now clearly, this is a uniform magnetic field. In this uniform magnetic field, initially the dipole is like this. Initially the dipole is like this. Now I rotate this dipole through an angle theta. If you rotate this dipole through an angle theta, here assume this is north pole, here south pole. North pole experience force in this direction F equal to mb. North pole experience force in this direction. In the same manner, south pole also experience force F equal to mb. See here, I will write the diagram clearly. This is a pole, this is a magnetic dipole. On this dipole, one force Fb acting in this direction, one force acting in this direction Fb. If the magnetic needle is fixed at the center, if I fix this needle at the center, then what will happen? This force try to rotate the body in this direction. So see, r bar cross f bar, this is r, this is f, r bar cross f bar. So because of this force is trying to move in this direction, because of this force is trying to move in this direction. So restoring torque, we can say this Fb, this force produces the restoring force. This restoring force tries to bring the magnetic needle into the mean position. So this restoring torque we can calculate. These two equal forces acting at the different points. So if two equal forces acting at different points, they produce the torque. Because of this torque, this magnetic needle trying to rotate in this direction. Now, what is the magnitude of the torque? Sir, it is rotated through an angle theta. Assume this is north pole, this is south pole. I am writing this is A. From the triangle NAS, this is a triangle. 1 minute. From the triangle NAS, this is S, NAS sin theta. So this is 2L only. Sin theta equal to NA by NS. NS is the magnetic length 2L. So I can write NA equal to NS sin theta. This NS sin theta I can write 2L sin theta. Now, what is meant by torque? The torque acting on a bar magnet can be written by the formula torque tau is equal to, I am going to rub these diagrams. After this, NA, torque tau. So, torque tau equal to force into perpendicular distance. This is the force in this direction, perpendicular distance in this direction. So, I can write torque tau is equal to either of the force MB into perpendicular distance perpendicular distance NA. Then what I will get? MB into 2L sin theta. So MB into 2L sin theta, I can write this M into 2L one form and B sin theta in other M into 2L. This is magnetic moment. MB sin theta. This is the torque tau. Sir, see, I can assume this is capital M. 1 minute. This is capital M. Tau equal MB sin theta. I can write this tau is known as restoring torque, since we assume this is a magnet needle. I am rotating in this direction. If you rotate this in this direction, the needle in this position. Now the restoring torque, see, applied torque in this direction, F applied torque, I can write tau applied torque in this direction, restoring torque in which direction? In this direction. So if you observe, applied torque and restoring torque are opposite to each other. So with respect to applied torque, restoring torque is in opposite direction. So if you can, this is a TA, this is applied torque. Restoring torque TR is equal to, I can write minus MB sin theta. If theta is very small, I can write torque tau equal to minus MB theta. We know torque tau is equal to I alpha. I is the moment of inertia, alpha is the angular acceleration. I can write tau is equal to I alpha. So I alpha equal to minus MB theta. So alpha equal to how we can write? Minus MB by I into theta. Sir, this is the condition for SHM, rotational motion. So in case of, if you compare equation of SHM in rotational dynamics, this is the condition of SHM. Condition for SHM. Condition for HSM. This is in rotational dynamics. Condition for SHM in linear dynamics, A is equal to minus omega square into R. This is the condition of translational motion SHM. This is rotational SHM. Now here, if you compare the terms, we can get what we can get, omega square is equal to mb by I. Then what is omega? So I can write omega equal to root over mb by I. Then what is mb? I can write omega equal to 2 pi by t. 2 pi by t equal to root over mb by I. Then I can write t equal to 2 pi into root over I by mb. This is the time period of a bar magnet in uniform magnetic field. What it is? Time period of a bar magnet or dipole time period of a bar magnet or dipole in uniform magnetic field. Once again I am repeating, please look at the board. Sir, here what I am going to do, I am explaining with the diagram itself. This is a uniform magnetic field. So in this uniform magnetic field, a magnetic needle is there. This magnetic needle is at rest. Assume this is a magnetic needle whose magnetic moment in this direction, magnetic field in this direction. I rotate a needle in this direction, theta angle. So if you rotate this magnet needle to an angle, so I applied rotational torque in this direction. This is torque applied, torque applied, TA. This is TA, applied torque. This is TR, tau or restoring torque. So on this body, on this needle, two torques are acting. Applied torque in anti-clockwise direction, restoring torque in clockwise direction. So as a result, it experienced torque. As a result, it is coming to the mean position. If it is coming to the mean position, what is the torque formula? Tau equal to either of the force into perpendicular distance. See, if it is N, S, A, so for force in this direction is MB. Force in this direction is MB into perpendicular distance NA, MB into NA. That is the derivation. So N value how much? We can write sin theta. Sin theta is equal to MB into 2L sin theta. So tau, this is applied torque in clockwise direction, restoring torque is in anti-clockwise direction. So restoring torque tau bar is equal to MB sin theta. So if theta is very small, I will write here. If theta is small, sin theta we can nearly take as theta. If theta is small, sin theta we can take nearly theta. So I can get tau is equal to MB theta. What is tau? I alpha. I alpha equal to MB theta. Alpha equal to M minus MB by I. So this equation resembles rotational SHM. So alpha is equal to minus omega square theta. Here omega is the angular velocity. Angular frequency. Omega equal to 2 pi by omega square is equal to MB by I. So omega equal to root over MB by I. From this omega equal to 2 pi by t. Omega is the angular frequency. So from angular frequency we can get the time period. This is torque acting on a bar magnet in uniform bar magnet or dipole in uniform magnetic field. Now one more concept, work done in rotating a magnetic dipole. We are going to discuss next topic. This next topic name is work done in rotating rotating a dipole in uniform magnetic field. Sir, this work done stored as a potential energy of a dipole. We can discuss that also. Sir, initially this is a dipole. This is a uniform magnetic field. This is a uniform magnetic field. This is a magnetic needle. Magnetic needle whose magnetic moment in this direction, magnetic field in this direction. Now what I am going to do, I am rotating this needle through an angle theta. Assume this is fixed at the midpoint. If I rotate this needle through an angle theta, so this is this is initial position, this is final position. I rotate it through an angle theta. If you rotate this needle through an angle theta, just now we discussed what is the torque acting. Torque tau is equal to mb sin theta. If theta is very small, torque tau is equal to mb theta. Now I want to further rotate this needle through an angle d theta. If you want to further rotate through an angle d theta, now what is the work done? Work done is equal to torque work done. We have a formula. Work done is equal to force into displacement, whereas in rotational dynamics work done is equal to torque into angular displacement. So if I rotate through an angle small theta, then dw is equal to tau into d theta. What is tau? mb. So better to keep sin theta only. Tau equal to mb sin theta. I can write mb sin theta d theta. This is dw. The amount of work done in rotating from 0 to theta angle. The amount of work done from 0 to theta angle or theta 1 to theta 2 angle. We can do anything. So dw, amount of work done, w is equal to integral dw, that equal to from where to where I am rotating, 0 to theta I am rotating. So I can write 0 to theta mb sin theta d theta. mb sin theta, here mb remains constant, then what we will get? Bring mb outside, integral 0 to theta sin theta d theta. Sin theta integration minus cos theta, I can write minus mb cos theta 0 to theta. So minus mb cos theta minus mb cos theta minus cos 0. Or we can write, we can rotate this needle from theta 1 to theta 2 also. Instead of 0 to theta, go with theta 1 to theta 2, it is better. So if I rotate from theta 1 to theta 2, so what we can get here? Upper limit theta 2 minus theta 1, here minus will come. So take this minus inside, mb into, sir, here I am rotating from theta 1 to theta 2. Instead of 0 to theta, we can rotate this needle from theta 1 to theta 2, that is better. So I can write mb into cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. This is the whatever the work done in rotating the dipole stored as a potential energy. I will write the work done, this W. Work done, work done. I will write clearly. Work done in rotating. Work done in rotating a dipole in uniform magnetic field stored as a potential energy. This is about work done in rotating a dipole in the uniform magnetic field. So expression is mb into cos theta 1 minus cos theta 2. This is the amount of work done in rotating a dipole in uniform magnetic field. Next, sorry. Next topic, comparison. Comparison of electric field with magnetic field. We can write comparison of electric field with magnetic field, or comparison of magnetism with electricity. I can write anything, we can go with any notation. Here electric field, I will write this one table, this is magnetic field. In electric field we have a notation charge q, charge. Here this charge q is pole strength, this q is a charge, here m is pole strength, both are analog. Dipole moment, here p, p equal to q into 2L. Here magnetic moment m, this p indicates the electric dipole moment, m indicates the, or we can write p bar, m bar equal to m into 2L. Here 2L is the magnetic length, here 2L is the electric field length. Next, we have a formula, electric field E is equal to one more time. This constant I want to replace 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is a constant. This must be replaced by mu naught by 4 pi. Next, electric field formula, electric field E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. In the same manner, magnetic field B equal to mu naught by 4 pi m by r square. This is the comparison. Next, electric field due to a dipole. What is the electric field due to dipole? If it is a short dipole, electric field E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 p by r cube. This is axial. So here magnetic field along the axial direction, we can write mu naught by 4 pi 2 m by r cube. This is electric field along the axial. One more things we can write. Okay, so this is the common terms we can encounter in electric field and magnetic field. Some more terms I am going to give the next. Torque acting on an electric dipole. Torque tau is equal to q bar p bar dot e bar. In the same manner, torque tau is equal to m bar cross b bar. Work done, potential energy is equal to minus p bar dot e bar. We can write potential energy in electric field UE, potential energy in the magnetic field UB equal to minus m bar dot b bar. These are the comparison of electric field with magnetic field. Now we are going to discuss magnetic field due to a bar magnet along the axial line. This is the expression we are going to derive. Same electric field due to a dipole, electric field due to a dipole is same analog. Magnetic field due to a bar magnet along the axial line. Magnetic field due to a dipole along the axial line. How we can derive? Sir, this is a dipole. This is a dipole. This is south pole, this is north pole, this is center. O, from the center, south pole is a distance L, north pole is a distance L. Now consider this is a point P, where I am keeping a unit north pole or very small magnetic needle. So we can't assume the monopoles, but assume a small magnetic needle whose pole strength is very small, whose north pole is facing toward the north. The distance between these two, point P and point O, is R. Now, so here this distance is L, this distance is R. What is the distance between north pole and point P? R minus L. r minus L. Sir, because of this north pole at point P, magnetic field is, I am going to write Bn. Bn is the magnetic field due to the north pole, it is radially outwards. So, south pole, from the south pole, the point P is at a distance of r plus L. This distance is r, this distance is L. So, from the south pole, this distance is L. Sir, if you assume this is unit north pole, not possible, but try to assume. If I place a north pole here, due to like poles repulsion, north pole repulsion, the point P, at point P, the magnetic field is radially outwards. Due to unlike poles attraction, north pole and south pole attraction, due to north pole, south pole, magnetic field along the inward direction. So, net magnetic field, so I can write two fields are opposite direction. So, I can take higher minus lower. First, I am going to write Bn. Bn is equal to, what is the formula? Mu naught phi. Bn is the magnetic field due to north pole. Bn is equal to mu naught by 4 pi m by, what is the distance? R minus L whole square. Bs is equal to mu naught by 4 pi m by R plus L whole square. So, net magnetic field, I can take higher minus lower. Since denominator is small, this is high. So, B net magnetic field, I am going to write B net magnetic field is equal to Pn minus Bs. Bn indicates the magnetic field due to north pole, Bs indicates the magnetic field due to south pole. Then, if you take the common, mu naught by 4 pi m by R minus L whole square minus mu naught by 4 pi m by R plus L whole square. If you take mu naught by 4 pi m common, then what we will get, sir? 1 by R minus L whole square minus 1 by R plus L whole square. Take the LCM. If you take the LCM, mu naught m by 4 pi R plus L whole square minus R minus L whole square divided by R minus L whole square into R plus L whole square. Sir, I am going to write this A square into B square. Shall I write? A square into B square, can I write AB whole square? Then I am going to write mu naught m by 4 pi. Sir, A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. Then what we will get? A square plus B square plus 2AB. Here minus of A square plus B square minus 2AB plus A plus B whole square minus A plus B whole square. These two gets cancelled. Finally, you will get 4RL divided by R minus L into R plus L whole square. So, this is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. If you take A plus B into A minus B, you will get A square minus B square. So, here I am going to rub this diagram. Then finally, what you will get, sir? Mu naught by 4 pi, take 4m, this cancel. So, I am going to write m into, so 2 into 2m, I will write 1 minute. Here only I am doing the rearrangement. I will write 2r into 2ml divided by r square minus L square whole square. Now, sir, 2 into 2ml indicates the magnetic moment. So, I can write mu naught by 4 pi. If r far greater than L, we can neglect L. Then what you will get? Mu naught by 4 pi into 2r m by r power 4 3 times. So, r power 4 I am going to write as r cube into, we are getting r square whole square, r power 4. This r power 4 I am going to write as r cube into r. So, if you write r power 4 as r cube into r, I can write r cube into r gets cancelled. So, finally, what you will get? Mu naught by 4 pi into 2m by r cube. This is the magnetic field due to a dipole along the axial direction. Next, we are going to discuss magnetic field due to a dipole along the equatorial direction. Magnetic field due to a dipole along equatorial direction. Now, sir, consider this is a dipole. This is south pole, this is north pole. This is the midpoint. I want to find the magnetic field at a point P, which is at a distance x from the center. So, here if you consider, I am placing a unit north pole. It is not possible. For assumption I am taking at point P, I am taking a unit north pole. If you take this unit north pole, because of this north pole, it experience because of north pole, magnetic field direction is radially outwards. So, this is Bn. Bn is radially outwards. Because of south pole, magnetic field is inwards. Bs is like this. If it is theta, then alternate assume I am going to assume a coordinate system. See, this is alternate interior angles are same. This is same. If it is also theta, this is also theta, corresponding as theta. I am going to write clearly. See, we are getting two fields. One field radially outwards, one field is radially inwards. This is Bn. Strength wise both are same. Bs. It is theta. This is also theta. 1 minute. Assume this is a horizontal. With respect to horizontal, two forces are acting. One is Bn. One field radially outwards. One field is inwards. Bs. So here magnitude wise both are same. What is Bn? Sir, this is x. This is L. Then this become x square plus L square whole power 1 by 2. This also x square plus L square whole power 1 by 2. So, what we will get? Sir, Bn is equal to mu naught by 4 pi m by r square. Here r square plus L square whole power 1 by 2 whole square. These two gets cancelled. So, finally, what we will get? Bn is equal to mu naught by 4 pi m by r square plus L square. In the same manner, Bs also we are getting same only, mu naught by 4 pi we will get same only, m by r square plus L square. So, magnitude wise both are same. So, this is theta. So, if I resolve this Bn in two components, B cos theta, B sin theta. Here we will get B sin theta, here B cos theta. This also derive B magnetic field due to north pole is equal to magnetic field due to south pole. I am going to write B. So, Bn, Bs I am going to replace. I am going to write B only to avoid the confusion. This is B, this is B. If you resolve B into two components, this is also theta. So, you will get B cos theta, B sin theta. See, B sin components are equal in magnitude, opposite direction. So, these two gets cancelled. These two gets added up. So, B net magnetic field is equal to B cos theta plus B cos theta. So, what we will get, sir? 2B cos theta. From this triangle, what is cos theta? Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side how much? Adjacent side 1 minute. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side L by r square plus L square whole power 1 by 2. Then what we will get? 2B cos theta. So, substitute the values. B net is equal to 2 into B value mu naught by 4 pi m by r cube. R cube m by r square m by r value how much, sir? R value r square plus L square cos theta value L by r square plus r square plus L square, r square plus L square whole power 1 by 2. So bases are equal, then what we can do, bases are equal, then we can add powers 1. So nothing, anything is not there, so that means 1 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Then finally what we will get, sir, B net magnetic field. B net magnetic field is equal to, I will write mu naught by 4 pi constant 2 ml divided by r square plus L square whole power 3 by 2. So 2 ml indicates the magnetic moment. We know magnetic moment, and m is equal to magnetic moment, m into distance between the two. So 2 ml indicates the capital M. So you will get mu naught by 4 pi m by r square plus L square whole power 3 by 2. If r far greater than L, then we neglect L, then what we will get, B net is equal to mu naught by 4 pi m by r power r square, 1 minute, r square whole power 3 by 2 will get, this 3 is half gets cancelled. So finally what we will get, mu naught by 4 pi into m by r cube. This is the magnetic field due to a dipole along the equatorial line. So this is about today's class. Tomorrow we can discuss Gauss line magnetism and terrestrial magnetism. I hope you understand the class. All the best.